Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert not launching on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform and then you're going to click onto Crimson Desert and you're going to go to its games folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then the default location should be in your C drive. So open up your Explorer, go to your C drive, go into Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then you're going to have the Crimson Desert folder here. Click onto it, and then you'll have the CrimsonDesert.exe here. Right click on it, and then click onto Properties, and then click onto Compatibility. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also run this program as an administrator. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Apply and then OK. And after that, you're going to verify your game's files. So just open up your Steam and then right click on Crimson Desert. I'm going to use another game as an example. Click onto Properties, go into Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Games Files. Let it verify the game's files. And once it's done with that, if any file is missing from the game, then it will download those files. And now when you try to play Crimson Desert, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not be facing that not launching problems anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.